Steve here, ShenRC with another secret build. We're going to look at some photos first and then we'll show you what's under this.
There it is.
Alright guys, and here it is. Ta-da! The Konghead. Check that out. It's a beauty. Painted in orange. Let's take a closer look at this thing. This is one crazy build. This is like, I call this one the grandfather clock of RCs with all those gears inside. There it is. Came pretty nice. Let me show you the bottom on it. All that chassis is filled with gears. Craziness. This beauty has a 6-wheel drive. I filled them all with anti-wear grease so they're nice and creamy and good. I put a sport tune motor in here, I believe. Yeah, sport tuned. That's what it looks like. Pretty neat. I tested it out in my driveway. I thought it would flip easy, but this thing handles really good. I guess with the 6 wheels, the middle one acts like a sway bar. Really cool. I hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments what you think of the color. I wish I didn't have that glare all the time on my videos, but I'm under these fluorescent LED. Rather, they're not fluorescent. I switched them out. They're LEDs, but they're like the tube kind, and they kind of are long, and you see them in the video. But I try my best. Anyhow, let's get a close-up of the grill and stuff. See what it looks like. Maybe I could get close. And you won't get, there's that glare. Get too much glare on it. I'll make it drive by. But anyhow, this was a fun build. Let me tell you, when you build this one, has so many gears, your hands get greasy. I recommend you using like rubber gloves. And I didn't use the kit grease, I used the grease I have, the Zeok grease, and it worked really good. And you can make this one, let me show you guys, I don't know if you'll be able to see it on the video. In the back here, there's a little pin, I don't know if you'll see it, right here. You can make it 4-wheel steering if you want, but I kind of like it the way it is. I think with 4-wheel steer it'll just turn so sharp. This actually is a turn sharp, and this actually turns really sharp already, so I'm going to leave it the way it is. It's nice. I'm going to show you the chassis. Like I said, the build on it with all them gears is crazy, but I have to admit, if you don't have one of these and you like Tamiya's, I highly recommend getting one of these, because I never got one, and I got it and I'm like, oh my god, why didn't I ever get this? And it runs so good too. It's pretty cool. Here's what it looks like. The chassis. I'll try to fit it in. Let me go here. Right about there. Did you see it? It's pretty cool. It's like a Wild Willie ×2 together, and it makes all these drive gears go through the chassis. It's wicked cool. Look at this. It's very smooth too. I used a Robinson Racing pinion gear on it, a steel one. I tried it at first with the regular 540 motor. It was a bit slow, but the Sport Tune motor, the Tamiya Sport Tune motor, really, it gave it some oomph in the speed. It's like the perfect speed, I think. I like it like it is now. So with a 2S LiPo, it should be nice, because I tested it out with an impact, a 6L, and it felt pretty peppy. So when I test it with a 2S LiPo and I make the video, I have a feeling it's going to run super nice. But that's it. It's got 6 shocks on it, but they're the friction ones. They actually work real good on this one when I took it out. I don't think you really need shocks on it. And the tires, they're real soft and the air comes out slow, so it acts like a suspension. Look at the steering on it. It's weird. It's on the side. That's some crazy steering. Bell crank inside there. But I'm telling you, it steers good, it turns sharp, and it handles really good. The weight's really low in it. The body is kind of heavy because all this plastic stuff you have to screw on. When this wasn't on, it was pretty light. And I thought, man, it's probably going to be top heavy and flip. But it handles really good on it. Like I said, I'm surprised how good it ran. Let's check out the suspension on this beauty. It's probably going to crack my table. There we go. See, it works pretty good with these friction dampers. Not that bad. And you could put spacers under to raise it up a little bit if you want to. But this is neat. It's really like a creepy crawler. It's a 100-legger RC right here. It's pretty cool. Like I said, I never thought I'd get one, but now that I got it and just whizzed around real quick in the driveway, thing's awesome. I highly recommend, if you like Tamiyas, like I said, guys, get one of these. It's a funky must-have chassis. It's one of a kind. It's weird. I like it. I give it 2 beauties. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you liked the car, or the truck rather, the paint job. Let me know what you think. And if you're new watching, please subscribe, leave me a comment, and hit that bell for future videos so you don't miss them. Thanks guys for always watching and interacting with the videos. I appreciate all you guys. Thanks to my long-term shenanigans for being with me for so long. You guys are awesome. And thanks for the new guys who are subbing. I appreciate you all. We'll see you next time. Shen RC out. Beauty.